Hello friends, this is Priyanshi and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share the recipe for Gulab Jamun which you can even make for this Diwali. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First we will start by making the dough, for which we will need 150 grams of mawa, 75 grams of chhena, 1 tablespoon of suji and 35 grams of maida. First we will start by kneading the chhena. Now we will knead the mawa also. Now we will mix both of them. Now we will add suji and knead again. Now we will add maida and knead again. Now I am shaping gulab jamuns in circle. You can shape them into cylinder as well. Now we will make the sugar syrup, for which we will add 1 cup of sugar with 2 cups of water. We'll switch on the flame and let it boil. My sugar syrup is boiled. Now I will switch off the flame and side by side I have put the oil for heating. The oil is heated. Now I am starting to add gulab jamuns into it. After the gulab jamuns are fried well, we will add them in the sugar syrup.